having a
You're
hard
my
time?
best friend. I'm trying not to laugh.
Hello everyone, welcome to my March favorites video. There's been a few changes around the world and here. The little quarantine guest. So just a couple things right in the beginning. First of all, no idea if this is gonna work. Oh, thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome.
But there's also literally no other option because we have been trapped here together for a month.
Yeah.
Just about. How has it been?
It's been a long time.
It's been a long time. So yeah. Also, this is a favorites video, but everything is weird in the world right now, and I'm definitely not here to try to profit off of the current situation. So I recently learned that if you just don't monetize the video at all, then YouTube just like doesn't promote it, because for some reason they only want videos that are gonna make them money to be seen.
Why?
So, because of capitalism, Caspian. Anyway, with that in mind, whenever I do a video that's kind of on a sensitive topic or something, I will still monetize it, but I will just donate the, whopping $2 of revenue that my videos normally get. Wow.
That's funny.
That's funny? Yes. It is funny how YouTube pays its creators $2 per video.
That's cheap. Super cheap.
It's super cheap. Hi, we're back again. According to you, we probably haven't left yet, but the sun came into our faces and we had to reset. So anyway, I think that I was saying something about how a lot of our incomes have vanished, and this isn't exactly the time to be trying to encourage people to buy stuff. So we wanted to just share some of the things that we've been doing over the last month to stay busy and enjoy ourselves in this kind of unique time. Huh. Cool. Alright, so the first thing we've been doing is we've been making what?
Play-doh.
We've been making our own Play-doh, and it's really fun, and you can make it different pretty colors. Do you want to grab some of the Play-doh?
The purple.
You grab the purple one? Okay.
We had green, and we knew red and blue makes the purple, and my mom said, "Do you want green or purple?" And I said purple.
And why
to surprise Melissa. So I love it.
Yes, he wanted to make purple because purple is Marissa's favorite color. You're all familiar with Marissa, I'm sure. She is. Who's Marissa? Oh, that's gonna make a loud sound for the camera.
My friend in my class.
Marissa's his friend from school. We love Marissa, huh?
Yeah.
She's awesome. And purple's her favorite color. And so that was why he picked purple. So I will put the recipe that we use for Play-doh.
Wait a minute.
What?
This is purple and that's purple.
Yeah? Oh my goodness.
That's so cool.
Anyway, I'll put the recipe that we use for making Play-doh in the description box. We've used it for the last couple of years, and it makes really good Play-doh. It's super easy. It's pretty fun to do with him. And then we also really like playing with the Play-doh.
And I put the dye in.
And you put the dye in, yes. He does the drops of the food coloring in the batch.
It's not food coloring.
Well, it is food coloring.
Well, why does it have food in it?
Who knows? Who knows?
Who knows?
And when we were playing with Play-doh the other day, we noticed that we have different little Play-doh toys. Like we have a cookie decorating one, and we saw that there's like little tiny decorative molds around the edge of one of them, and we made the cutest little things. I'll put a picture, like little tiny teddy bears and little tiny bows out of Play-doh, and it was really fun.
No, aliens.
And aliens, because we also have a Toy Story one, and the little alien toys. We made some miniature versions of that as well.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's been a really fun activity. We love the new reboot of DuckTales.
Yeah. It's the best movie. It's not a movie.
It's not
a show.
Yeah. We love DuckTales. We sing the theme song a million times per day. If you watched DuckTales at all as a child, this is the reboot that came out a couple years ago, and it's on Disney Plus. And it has David Tennant as Uncle Scrooge, and Jean-Ralphio from Parks and Rec, Ben Schwartz as Dewey, and Abed from Community, Danny Pudi as Huey, and Bobby Moynihan from SNL as Louie. And Garfunkel from Garfunkel and Oates as Webby. It's so cute, and aside from the unfortunate, sympathetic portrayal of billionaires, it is delightful. DuckTales kind of goes in line with one of our other favorites this month, which is cutting ourselves some slack. Right?
Yeah.
We're doing our best. It's you and me, bud, right? High five. So, I'm still working, and he still has school.
Yeah, but not for a long time.
Well, you don't...
Sickness.
Because of the sickness, yeah, we don't go to school, but we still do it at home. And it's a lot of stuff.
We just did nap time.
Yeah, we just had nap time. So we take a nap every day.
Afternoon snack.
An afternoon snack. And we try to have kind of a routine, right? Like things we try to do every day. Sometimes we do some yoga. We like to take deep breaths, right?
Today, can we play all of the Play-doh?
Yes, we can. So what we're trying to both remember is that this is kind of a unique situation, right? And sometimes it's a little bit hard.
It's never been like this.
Yeah.
There's only been a sickness like for one day and then gone.
Yeah. Can you snap in your Spider-Man suit?
No. But I can snap it out my gloves on.
Yeah. Anyway, so we're trying to just remember sometimes we need to take a deep breath, right? Right?
Yeah.
Sometimes we need to watch some DuckTales.
Sometimes we need to watch some Toy Transformers.
Sometimes we have to watch Toy Transformers, which is his term for YouTube. Because when he started watching YouTube, he watched Transformers videos on it.
Not Transformers. Toy Transformers.
Toy Transformers. Excuse me.
It's okay. You said it wrong. You're still my mom.
I'm still your mom, even though I said it wrong. Whew.
That was a close one. I almost accidentally said you're not my mom anymore.
Well, I'm glad it didn't come to that. That's good.
You're a good friend.
I'm a good friend?
And them.
Oh, you're saying that to our viewers? They're good friends?
Yeah. And you.
And me. Well, that's nice.
I'm snuggling into your armpit.
Okay, so things are starting to come apart a little bit, so we're going to wrap this up. Yes, do you want to hold this up? So I do have one favorite that's an actual thing that you buy, because I wanted to just distinguish a little bit between what big businesses are doing right now and small businesses that I do think it's good to support if you are able at this time. If you are stressed financially right now, then in no universe am I suggesting that you go out and buy makeup right now. But if you are in a position to have spending money, I think it's really good to support some smaller brands, because so many small business owners are really struggling at this time. And, oh yes, here we go. So this, I saw somebody post.
I want to say it's super beautiful.
It's super beautiful? Okay, so it's this palette that I saw on Twitter, and then I found them on Instagram, Beatbox Beauty, and they made the Mixtapes palette.
It's not in a palette.
Well, it's not in one of, you mean like a salt palette, like our palette?
Yeah, like the gray ones.
Yeah, like it's not in our palettes, but this is still a makeup palette.
Yeah. Where you light it in.
Yes. I love the packaging. The owner is so sweet, and I just was obsessed with this palette. I'll show you the colors on the inside. I'm wearing them on my eyeballs right now. Such a beautiful palette.
Even golden. Same golden that she has on her.
Oh yes, this is the golden that I have on my eyes. I'm wearing the shades Remix, Crossfade, Intro, and Mix. Oh, and then also Fade. It's so pretty, and when I saw it, I was like, what is that? I did buy it. I'm not an affiliate at all. I just like
color, Mom.
Your favorite color, red. Yes. I just love supporting small businesses, especially women-owned businesses. And this palette is truly beautiful. Love the color selection. Love the packaging.
This is the Anna Play-doh. It's my favorite color.
And that's the red Play-doh.
Yep.
So, and that's the yellow Play-doh. I'm going to put,
blue Play-doh.
I don't know if it came across or not. I was just saying I'm not sponsored in any way, and I have no affiliate link or anything. I just love this palette, and I think it is beautiful. And it made me kind of excited about eye makeup. We're now getting out Transformers, and you know what? I think that this video has done a really good job of kind of expressing where we're at right now at this time. I don't know how many videos I will be able to make with things the way that they are. We just really want to be there for each other and hopefully be, you know, giving some ideas of how to feel sane and just know that you're not alone if you're having a hard time right now, right? Caspian, do you have any favorites from this month that you want to share?
No.
No? Okay.
Wait, I have one.
You have a favorite?
Christmas is the best.
Christmas is the best. Caspian's favorite from the last month is Christmas. So.
And Halloween because I'm a fan of candy.
Because he's a fan of candy. Who isn't? Am I right? We've certainly been fans of candy this past month. Right?
Yeah.
It's been another favorite.
Candy tastes so good.
Yeah. Can you back away from the microphone a little bit? Sweets, carbs, definitely been some favorites. Also in regards to salt, I posted an update on our Instagram. What's happening? Okay.
Something's in my eye.
You got something in your eye? And he's using my hand to wipe it out because his hands are gloves. I posted an update on our Instagram and sent out an email, but just in case you missed those, we are expecting a delay of a couple of weeks beyond what the original pre-order date was, so it'll probably be later in May now, just because of everything. So we are taking it really seriously, and we have been for the past month, and working remotely and keeping everybody far apart and safe, and that's our number one priority. So but other than it just taking a few weeks longer, everything is running smooth. Our website is still up and taking pre-orders. All of the pre-orders are going to ship at roughly the same time, so if you place it now, you will still get it towards the end of May, because pretty much once we finish production, we're just going to start shipping everything out. The previous sales have ended, but it is still 50% off of bundles. So if you are in a position to and you wanted to pre-order, that is still an option. I apologize if that wasn't clear before. It's just that we're no longer doing the free worldwide shipping or adding an additional tint. If you have any questions about that, you can always reach out to our customer service, hello@saltnewyork.com, or Caitlin@saltnewyork.com.
And Peter Parker.
And Peter Parker at saltnewyork.com. Just kidding. Can you say thank you so much for watching?
Thank you so much for watching my armpits.
Thank you so much for watching our armpits.
You said armpits too.
Hopefully I will see you guys soon. No guarantees.
Forever.
This video is probably going to be like 7 minutes long, and I'm pretty sure we've been filming for an hour, so.
For 100 hours.
For 100 hours. How should we end it?
Goodbye.
Oh, what do you hear your YouTube videos say at the end?
Thumbs up to subscribe.
Oh my god, I said one more time, but I need one more time. He's like, why do you keep repeating yourself? Because, Caspian, mommy doesn't know how to say words.
I do.
Oh, okay. Well, good for you.
But I can't say the words that you were saying. I forgot all of it.
You forgot all the words I was saying? Me too! That's the problem. Oh my god, I forgot.